Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this vid I'm going to be reviewing the S1R Baton from Olight. Thanks to Olight for sending me yet another fantastic torch. Quick look at the power settings. We've got 6 power settings on this torch. We start off with the Turbo S, which is a 300 to 900, which I believe it does step down later on. You have the turbo setting as well, which is 300 to 600. You have the high, which is 300, and medium 60, low 12, and the moonlight setting, which is just 0.5 lumens there. We'll have a look at the outdoor performance a little bit later on in the vid, but for now let's have a look in the box. First impressions, great, well built torch. As I've reviewed many Olight videos, many torches from Olight already, I was probably not going to be disappointed with this one. We've got waterproof down to 2 meters as well. We have a long 145 meter throw, and the batteries last up to 15 days according to the box there. This is using the latest Cree XML2 LED, which is powered by a CR123A battery, which is charged via USB. So let's pop it open and have a look. So there's your little torch. So you get that there. You get some. It comes with a clip. Comes with a clip. You can clip it on your belt or something. Your instructions there. Get a nice little case there as well. Read me, thank you. It says. Yeah. There's your little tab that you've got to remove so that you can charge it up. We get our other little box here, which contains our charger. So, oh, and a little and a lanyard as well. So put the lanyard out the way. This is your USB charger. We'll take that out. Obviously, plugging that into your USB via your PC or whatever. And then that just clicks onto the back of there like so, which is a brilliant idea. I like that. Right, let's take it out the packet. Right, there we go. That's that one. And we've got our clip. Obviously, you can clip that on there. Fantastic, very nicely compact little thing there as well. What I have noticed is you've got, I don't know if you remember seeing any of the other videos, there's a little like a little split pin there, which obviously if you're not careful you're going to lose. That's to thread that through that little piece there, so you can put the lanyard on. I've already charged it up. First of all, we've got our moonlight setting, which is that's the moonlight setting, which you can see there. That's a 0.5 lumens, that one. Then we go up to our next one, which is 12 lumens. Then we go up to our next one, which is 60 lumens. Then our next one, which is 300, then your double press, and that gives us our turbo, which is our 300 to 600, which as you can see is that is incredible. Well, as you'll see from the footage in a bit, you'll see how bright it actually is. All the cheapy type LED lights I've bought in the past, there's no comparison really for one of these. You get your flashing strobe there as well. Obviously I won't do that for too long, with 3 clicks, and then you're back to your normal one again. It's all metal construction, as you can see. Same with the clip there as well. It's all aluminium. It does get a little bit warm when it's on its highest setting, but it's not too bad. If we unscrew this, we get access to your, there's a little tab there. That's the bit you want to take out. And there's our battery. It runs on a single RCR 123A battery, which are widely available, which you can get on eBay or Amazon or something like that. Right, let's take it outside and have a look. Right, let's try out the power settings on this little beauty. We've got several output settings on this one. That is the moonlight setting, that one there. You can see it on the van there. Obviously that's only half a lumen, but just for reading or something like that inside your tent, it's fantastic. Right, let's go up to the next power setting, which is the low, which will be the 12. Now that'll be your 12 lumens, that one there. Then we'll go to the next one. That'll be your 60 lumens. And then we go up to the high setting, which is that one, which is your 300 lumens. Now I do believe it goes even brighter than that. And there you have that one, which is your 300 to 600 lumens. That is classed as your turbo. I believe if you double click it again, it goes brighter again. It goes up for between 600 to 900 lumens, but it obviously won't stay that brightness for a full period of time because it gets too hot. See, that is amazingly bright for something so small. I think it's fantastic. You can see for yourself. I mean, that's almost as bright as a car headlight, if not brighter. I mean, this is actually getting quite warm now. If I can feel the end of that, that's actually quite very hot. Well, not hot, but there's a lot of heat in that. So this, back on the moonlight setting again. Yeah, so that is the 31R Baton. As you can see, a great torch. I do like the fact that this one is USB, because you could keep that in your vehicle all the time, and you're never going to have to worry about finding spare batteries. I guess you could buy another battery as well, so that you could charge up one and have one in the torch. So then we've got a couple of batteries spare, which would probably be a good idea, so I may do that myself. If you want to get yourself one of these fantastic little lights, the link is in the description down below. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was useful to somebody. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next vid.